Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're removing a Google account from your Apple device now. Go straight to Settings, then Mail or Accounts, locate the Google entry and tap Delete Account. This immediately stops sync and removes mail, contacts, and calendars. You should have saved any Drive or Photos files you need first, because deletion severs auto-sync. Once done, make sure apps like Gmail and Chrome are closed so cached tokens clear. This direct removal prevents new data from flowing to your device. Next, you finish cleaning account links that survive a local delete. You must sign out inside Gmail and Chrome apps, open each app, tap your profile, and sign out to remove cached credentials. Then, on a browser, sign into Google and go to Security, right arrow your devices to sign out of the Apple device remotely. This prevents auto-reconnect. Also, revoke third-party app access so background services can't reauthorize. Once finished, check passwords and keychain for any stored Google credentials and delete those entries. To complete, restart your Apple device and revisit Settings, right arrow Accounts to confirm the Google account is gone. Then sign into your Google account on a browser, open the Devices panel, and remove the Apple device entry so Google won't push tokens back. Make sure Mail, Contacts, and Calendars no longer list Google sources. If the account keeps reappearing, disable iCloud Keychain temporarily and delete any saved Google passwords from Passwords and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.